Unique stealth design. As the first ever putting keycaps to feature blacked-out, legendless tops, they give your keyboard an incredibly sleek and clean feel when its RGB is off, a must-have look for truly minimalist setups. Translucent sides. Designed to let more light through, the frosted walls on these ABS putting keycaps bring out the full brilliance of Razer Chroma RGB in every direction. Bottom lasered legends. Unlike regular keycaps which are lasered from the top, this method ensures legends that won't wear off and shine brighter thanks to a thinner layer between the keycap and light source. Keycap Removal Tool Stabilizers. Specifically designed for Razer keycaps and switches, the set includes all the tools and parts you need to conveniently upgrade our optical and mechanical keyboards. Universal compatibility. The set works with all our mini, tankless, TKL, and full-sized mechanical, optical keyboards, and consists of 128 keycaps that fit with Razer and standard 104/105 key US and UK layouts. Top reviews from the United States. Get it, but make sure your keyboard RGB is bright as hell. It's as expected, 10 out of 10.